Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to create thin lines and shape borders in Canva. This is a great way to add subtle details and make your designs look clean and professional. Now, on your Canva dashboard, let's say for example, we want to insert a shape. Click the shapes and here you can insert the shapes you like. For example, let's insert these 2 or 3 shapes. Now, if you have 3 shapes and want to create a thin border, all you have to do is click that shape. Here, you can choose a strong style, like this thin line. You can adjust the thickness if you want. All you have to do is adjust the stroke weight on the circle. You can also change the stroke style here. For example, you can select broken lines or dotted lines, depending on your preferences. If you want the border thicker, you can have it thicker. Also, for the pentagons, you can edit them by clicking again on the stroke style at the top and adjust the border as you like. Once you're done, just click Save. That's how we create thin lines and shape borders in Canva. With just a few simple adjustments, we can enhance our designs with precise, stylish elements.